Welcome back to another video. Today we got the 2014 to 2018 Chevy Silverado regular cab, 3-inch side steps, Nerf bar, running boards, black, from eBay. We are going to be installing them today. If you guys missed my other video, I do have an unboxing video. I'll see if I can link it up above or down in the description section of this video. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for more tool reviews, tool deals, Home Depot, Lowe's, and Harbor Freight. Alright, as you can see, those are the parts that you're gonna get. You're gonna get 2 side steps or running boards, one for each side. Obviously they're different measurements because one's for one side and one's for the other. And then you're gonna get 6 of the mounts, which are towards the bottom. Then you're gonna get your 4 of the mounts that go attached to the Nerf bars, the ones that are mounted on the Nerf bars. The other 6 mounts are attached to the body of the vehicle. However, on this vehicle, you're only going to be needing 4 of the 6 mounts that it includes, because they included a 6 mount for the extended cab or regular or like a crew cab. This is just a single cab, so I'm just going to use 4. It doesn't have anywhere to put another one. Pretty much that's it for that. Yeah, so just make sure you got all the parts before you start. Alright, I'm testing the mounting bracket. I'm just doing a rough test here. Fitting it. You see that rubber piece that's there? You have to remove that because you're going to put like a fitting that fits in there, and then you can put the screw in the fitting towards the hole that's mounted. On the bottom there, you have to put the bigger black bolts, the ones that are thicker black. As you can see, that's the fitting that goes in that hole. You do have to remove that plastic tab that we saw earlier. And right there, I'm sorry about the camera. My camera is a GoPro and I can't afford a better camera. Anyways, yeah, there's hardly any light on this video, so I'm just gonna tell you guys what I'm doing there. Pretty much what you do is you take one of those fittings or those tabs and those fittings and put it through the tab, the hole, and you line it up with the other hole, and then you put a washer, and then a lock washer, and then the bolt through that fitting. You screw it on there, and then you can leave it loose, and you can just hang the attachment, the bracket that goes into the vehicle. As you can see right there, I'm trying to put the bolts that go on the bottom of the brackets to join the 2 brackets in. The black ones are the ones that go into join the 2 brackets in. The ones that are like a metal color, those go into the top part of the brackets, going to the body of the vehicle, and from the bracket to the side rail. So those are the gray or metal looking bolts. As you can see right there, leveling it. This is the hardest part of this installation, trying to get the best level. It was kind of hard to get it centered, so I went with the back end of the door. Not the back end of the door, but the back end of the cab, because the front, I saw the picture on the instructions, and it moves a little bit back because if you put like a splash guard or something like that, that's why they give you a little bit of extra room on the front. So I installed them flush to the back. Right there, what I'm doing, I'm just tying up the bolts, because I already have it lined up however I want it, and seems to be looking pretty good. So that is the installed As you can see, they're a little bit towards the back. You know, you got a few inches on the front, about three inches on the front. That allows for a splash guard or something like that. You know, if you have one installed on the vehicle. And those are the brackets installed with the bolts. And it is adjustable. You can move it back and forth, and just put it to your likings. Basically, you can move it back and forth and up and down. So as you can see, I put it flush with the back of the cab. That's pretty much what I did. The best that I could, you know, because obviously it's not gonna fit perfectly, but you know, it does. It looks pretty good. And as you can see, yeah, it gives you enough room for the splash guard there on the back of the tire. This one doesn't have one, but you know, I wish they gave you an option, but you know. And it seems to be pretty solid. I already tried jumping on it. It seems to be holding up pretty good. Oh, another thing that you guys have to, those black bolts, you guys have to tie them up real tight, because when you step on it, if you don't tie them enough, when you step on it, you can actually feel the running board going down, you know. So what I did is you adjust it wherever you want it, and you put it real tight. So you have to tie it real good. Anyways, that's the side look of it. As you can see, they're kind of flush with the tires. There's nothing sticking out. And I gotta say, they're pretty comfortable. As you can see there, I got them lined up perfectly the way I want them, so I could get up easier on this vehicle. And that's another thing you have to do, is you have to look at what's more comfortable for you. You know, if you want them down, up, side, or left, right, forward, or revert, or back, you know. So that you gotta, that's the thing I like about these, that you got a lot of play. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for more tool reviews, tool deals, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.